Welcome to the very quick tutorial on how to use the spring templates. I first want to show you how to remove the guidelines. These are just there for your use in Photoshop, and you can turn those off if they're distracting to you by going to View and Show and Guides. If your guides are not showing, that's okay. Don't worry. That means you already have it set not to show the guides. Now, I want to get straight to getting your picture in the clipping mask. This is our mask, meaning that the picture will only show through in this area, okay? And so I'm going to go to File and Place, Embedded or Linked. Either one will work. And it used to just be Place in Photoshop CS6, but in CC they changed it. So we have this picture, and I'm going to bring it down to size just a little bit. I'm going to hold down my Shift key. That's very important. Shift and click, and then I'm going to drag in. And if I want the picture to be a little bit bigger, you know, I can do like her face, the subject's face. I can do like that. If I want it smaller, I can keep coming down. But I want about like that. I'm happy. Okay, and I hit the checkbox at the top to commit to that. Now notice that the picture's a lot bigger than that, right? But it's only showing through our mask. The mask is helping it just to show through that special area. That mask could be a heart, could be an Easter egg, you know, an oval, and it would only show through that because that's our mask. The next thing I want to do is the text. So our message is right here, and I have it down here. Your message goes here. If you click T on your keyboard, it'll activate your type tool, and then you can just click in somewhere, and we can highlight by, I'm going to hold down my Shift key, and I'm going to delete here. So I can do Happy Easter 2014, what have you. I can change it to be center, and then we'll come up here and do like that, and hit the checkbox. And if I'm happy with everything, the last thing I'm going to do, well, real quick, there are some guides not guides, graphics you can turn off. So here we got bubbles, and we can turn that off or turn it back on. We can turn off the flowers, turn that back on. I like both of them together. Everything's very interesting, so I'm going to leave them both. The last thing I need to do is turn off the guides. That's just there for you to know to keep your text inside that area, to keep your images inside that area, because the printer may cut that area off. So we're just going to turn it off, and now we're going to flatten. A very quick way, easy way for new beginners to see how to flatten. Go to Layer, and then down to Flatten Image. There's lots of different ways to flatten, but that's the easy one for new users to find. Then we're going to save the file as a JPEG. So you come in here and change your format to a JPEG, name the file what you want, and then hit save. And then that's what you would send to print. These are beautiful templates, and I really hope you enjoy them.